Hey guys, Julian here, and today I'm looking at 4 builds of Windows Whistler, aka the beta of Windows XP. These builds are build 2250, 2257, 2267, and 2296. 2296's resolution might look a little bit weird because, the video drivers didn't work properly. But, I still get all the stuff I need to get done, and it's fine. And also, Windows Whistler build 2296 is the only beta 1 build that was ever released, and that's the main reason why I'm looking at it. It doesn't really change anything that much, so that's really the only reason I'm looking at it. But, that being said, it does have one semi-significant change. It changes something that all the other builds don't have, which, is kind of important. It's not really important, but you'll see. Either way, I hope you enjoy the video, and let's continue. As you can see, all of the login screens are a Neptune-style login screen, except for build 2257, which surprisingly is the home build, or the home edition build, out of all these betas, which I feel would be the most likely to have the new GUI login screen, rather than the old and, well, compared to the new one, complex login screen. Now, if there's a direct comparison between all the builds, then I will do this style, but for the rest of the video, I will kind of just be going over every build on their own. They're not big builds, so they should be easy, but in this video, since there are so many builds, it'd be complex synchronizing all of the builds and everything like that, except for parts where it's really necessary. The first of the 3 things every single build shares is their control panel style. Every single build shares pretty much the same control panel layout, and build 2296 has a different icon style than the rest of the builds. This style is more like the actual Windows XP style, where it divides the control panel up into categories, rather than actual utility icons that you can click. The second change is the task pane that's on the Explorer window. Every single build has this, and some builds may change the coloring of this slightly, but it's pretty much the same throughout all the builds. And when you go into important system directories, it switches over to a 2000/NT type style. The final change that all of them share is having a new theme and start menu. Now, all of them pretty much have the same theme and start menu, but the theme and start menu just kind of evolve through each build. Now, I'm not going to be doing a direct comparison of all of these. I'm kind of going to be sliding a slideshow showing how the theme evolved. And I'm not putting any, labels here because it's just going to slide through in ascending order. In build 2250, the way you activate the new looking start menu is by going into the taskbar, start menu properties, holding Alt, and then pressing D, and then voila, you got the new start menu. Build 2250 also has remnants of the activity centers from Windows Neptune. Here are what those look like. There are a lot of images missing and stuff like that, because they don't include everything on the disk, but yeah, here's an idea of what these might have looked like if these actually came out. Build 250 is also the first time the themes area and the display properties appear. And lastly, in build 2257, My Documents is renamed to My Files.